Hello and welcome to Badger Workshop. This week we're going to try something completely different as it's Blackberry season. So, hello and welcome to Binging with Badger. I might have done a few alcohol related projects over the years, so we're going to make some Blackberry Gin. So into a clean and sterilised Kilner jar we're going to add 300 grams of blackberries. As you can see, I picked my own. You can go to the supermarket and buy them fresh or even frozen, but I will judge you for it. On top of the blackberries gets poured 300 grams of sugar. Lean over, try and hit this button, lean over and try and read the scales as I pour it in. No, why don't I just turn the scales around and have them facing me? Yeah, that's better. I'm doing enough for 2 bottles of gin. If you want to do it with one, half the ingredients. 2 cinnamon sticks go in for a little bit of spice. We'll just check the gin before we pour it in. Yep, that's definitely the cheapest, roughest supermarket gin you can get. But as we're adding all these flavours and sugars, it'd really be a waste to use anything good. I want to reserve these empty bottles because in a month's time we're going to come back, strain this and put it back in the bottles. So I'm afraid you've got to be a bit patient with this one. That's everything in there, so time to seal it up and then do my best Tom Cruise from Cocktail impression. Yeah. Definitely got some skills there. So now this just needs to be left for a month, and every day I'm just going to turn it upside down and give it a little shake. So I'll see you in a month. In the meantime, thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.